Look at these characters, they look really beautiful, right? But inside their beautiful face, something is really evil. Whenever you think about anime related to books, secret, holy, powerful books, only one thing is coming in our mind, that is Death Note. We comparing every book related anime with Death Note. Why I keep saying anime, it's actually donghua. Wings of the World or One Goji is insane donghua. This donghua story is really unique. Whole world is fighting for power and territory. People keep dying and almost half Earth looks like graveyard. You will see dead body everywhere. But there is one thing that can save humanity. Yes, that thing is this holy book or whatever you call it, secret book or deadly book. I can't really tell, but you have to decide this by watching this donghua. Yes, I can definitely say one thing. Whole story revolves around this particular book that you see right here. And but inside this book, it's a big secret. Why everyone is fighting for this book and why one person is on mission to deliver this book from one place to another place. Whole story revolves around that. Let's just ignore this book for right now, and if you ask me one question, that do you believe in God? Do you believe in magic and powers, or do you believe in science? This donghua basically is fight and debate between God and science. This donghua gets too dark sometimes. It will surprise you for sure. Main villain or antagonist of this donghua are four angels of judgment. They possesses different power and ability you will see at various points in this donghua. This donghua is like Death Note. Perfect mix of logic and facts are mixed in this donghua. Sometimes you will feel like this story is real. That's why in the start of every episode you will see one message saying that this story is not real and things that are shown in this donghua are pure fiction. So many characters are in this donghua. Each character have different personalities. They are good in different fields, like some are doctor and they are genius in medical field. Some are engineers, some are scientists, they all are genius in their own field. And message of this donghua is when genius people comes together, they can change the world. You will see a world where people don't even know about tomatoes. Literally they don't know what is cheese, what is fried eggs. And in that kind of world, why that book is so important that everybody is ready to die to save that book from evils. So many plot twists in this donghua that at some point you won't be able to guess what's going to happen next. Who is going to be a protagonist and who is antagonist. Animation of this donghua is really good. Like always, Chinese animation are on other level. Looks like computer made animation. Only one season in this donghua. Only 16 episodes are there, so you don't have to watch a lot. And you know what's most funny thing about this donghua? Some episodes are 24 minutes long and some episodes are 12 minutes long. It's not like Japanese anime where every episode length is almost same. Here it's different. So it won't take more than few hours to complete this donghua. I literally seen it in 3 hours after skipping intro and outro and some travel part where they don't do much. First few episodes are really random. You won't be able to understand what's going on, but there is something that will hook you and make you to watch more. After few episodes, real twists start to come, and once you get there, you won't be able to stop watching this donghua. If you are looking for romance drama and that kind of scenes, this donghua is definitely not for you. Neither you will see great magical fight scenes. This donghua is good only because of story and unique storyline that everyone, no matter from which country you are, you can relate. Worst thing about this donghua is character mouth. Literally, when they speak, sometimes their lips are not even moving, only voice is coming. I know it's hard and expensive to animate lips, but I was really not expecting that mistake from that good donghua. It's really annoying and sometimes even make you confused that who is actually talking. Even though story is really difficult in start to understand, till end you understand everything, but you always have some confusion in mind about characters. They didn't execute time intervals well, like they are talking and suddenly going in past and then again coming in present. You won't understand what's going on. And past characters are not even alive in present time, so you will be like, who are they and what I'm even watching. If you forget all these bad things about this donghua and only focus on storyline, this donghua is really good. If you are new in Chinese animation field, I highly recommend you to watch this Wings of the World. If you made this far, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram ID on link. Thanks for watching.